What if I told you this Charizard didn't come from a toy store, but from your printer? Yep, it's a 3D low-poly Charizard Papercraft, and you can make it yourself for free. I designed this cute chibi version to be beginner-friendly, fast, and fun, so anyone can build it. You only need scissors, glue, and some cardstock. No fancy tools, no expensive materials. Think of it as crafting your own mini Charizard evolution moment in real life. The pattern is numbered step by step, super easy to follow. It's kind of meditative. You cut, fold, glue, and slowly watch Charizard take shape. I did use a bit of AI magic to visualize this video, but don't worry, the real Papercraft model you'll build is 95% true to design. So your Charizard will look just like this. And here's the final result, a fiery Charizard ready to light up any space. Bedroom, living room, gaming setup? It fits perfectly anywhere Pokémon lives. It's light, low cost, and guaranteed to make every guest say, "Wait, you made that yourself?" The full free pattern is in the description. Download it, print it, and start crafting today. If you'd like me to make the next one, maybe Heracross, Blastoise, or even Mega Dragonite, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "Gotta craft 'em all."